Can the Shriram Life Immediate Annuity Plus plan offer the financial stability you require in your post-retirement years? Let us find out through an in-depth analysis in this video. Hi, welcome to Holistic Investment.in. We help individual investors like you to make the right financial and investment decision to reach your financial goals in a more faster and smarter way. But before analyzing this policy, let us first understand what is this policy is about. So this is a non-linked, non-participating immediate annuity plan, and some of the key features of the policy are: this is a single premium immediate annuity plan which offers 9 flexible annuity options to suit your needs, and you also get guaranteed annuity rates for life, and you have return of purchase price in the event of terminal illness, and you get the choice between single life and joint life options. So these are the key features of this policy. So there are also benefits under this policy which will differ based on the plan option you have chosen. So there are in total 9 plan options, and according to that the death benefit and annuity options will differ. And if you want to find out more about it, you can definitely refer to the policy brochure to know more about it in detail. Now let us take a look at the advantage and disadvantages of this policy. So the advantage is this is a simple one-time premium payment plan, and it ensures lifelong income with the option to continue payment for your spouse after your passing, and you also get return of purchase price which acts as a legacy for your loved ones. And there are annuity options tailored for NPS subscribers, and you get higher purchase price which comes with incentives through enhanced annuity rates. So these are the advantage. Disadvantages are your annuity payments are fully taxable, and the selected annuity option cannot be modified once your policy begins, and the annuity does not account for inflation. So the policy also cannot be surrendered except under very specific options, and there are no loans available under this plan. So these are some of the drawbacks that you need to keep in your mind before deciding to invest in this policy. So now, as we have a basic understanding of this policy, we are going to evaluate the potential returns from this policy to conduct an internal rate of return analysis (IRR) to help us make an informed decision. Because this plan does offer a variety of annuity options including regular income which increases annuity, guaranteed annuity for a specified period, or regular income with the return of purchase price. While you can select an option based on your cash flow needs, focusing solely on cash flow pattern isn't enough to choose the best plan. That's why, to make an informed decision, we are going to calculate the internal rate of return of this policy using the figures from the policy brochure. So just for calculation purpose, let us consider that a 60-year-old male invests 10 lakhs in the Shriram Life Immediate Annuity Plan with a single premium payment, assuming a life expectancy of 85 years and selecting option 2, which is annuity for life with the return of purchase price on death or terminal illness. The annual annuity is 63,530 rupees. If the purchase price is returned at the age of 85, the IRR for this cash flow is 6.25% as per the policy's maturity calculator. So this rate of return is lower than what any debt instrument offers, particularly for senior citizens. Additionally, the investment is locked in with surrender options only available under specific variants and is subjected to the year of discontinuance. So considering the rising cost of living, a fixed income may become insufficient over time, leading to potential financial challenges. So the combination of a lower return and restricted access to funds underscores a major drawback of the Shriram Life Immediate Annuity Plus plan. So what we are going to do instead is, as this plan is not giving us the desirable outcome that we need, we are going to explore some fixed income options available in the market that offers higher returns and greater liquidity. So some of the options are Senior Citizen Savings Scheme (SCSS), which provides a return of 8.20% per annum, allowing retirees to invest their corpus and receive regular income. Another option is Bank Fixed Deposits (FDs), which offer interest rate ranging from 7 to 8% per annum with an additional 25 basis points for senior citizens, so interest can either be accumulated or received as regular payouts. We also have RBI floating rate bond. Currently, it yields 8.05% per annum with interest paid semi-annually. Though these bonds have a 7-year lock-in period, senior citizens can withdraw yearly with a penalty. While these options deliver steady income, they do not account for inflation. To combat inflation and ensure your retirement corpus lasts, incorporating equity into your portfolio is essential. By periodically rebalancing your portfolio, you can achieve inflation adjusted income and grow your corpus over time. So here's an alternative strategy for the same retirement corpus of 10 lakhs. So you can allocate 60% of 10 lakhs, which is 6 lakhs, to equity for wealth creation. 40% of 10 lakhs would be 4 lakhs to debt for generating regular income. So if you assume equity return of 12% and debt return of 6% with the debt portion replenished from equity every 5 years, begin with an annual withdrawal of 63,530 rupees, matching the Shriram policy annuity plan. So if you increase withdrawal by 6% every 5 years to adjust for inflation, upon death the purchase price is returned to the nominee with withdrawal structured to match the previous plan as a parameter. So under this strategy, at the age of 85, your corpus grows to 17 lakhs, far surpassing the 10 lakh return of purchase price offered by the Shriram policy. By age 71, the equity portion can be fully shifted to debt for a more conservative approach, though this can be adjusted based on your risk tolerance. Even with a complete shift to debt, the corpus lasts beyond your lifetime. In summary, this strategy provides inflation-adjusted income, full liquidity, and the flexibility to adapt to your financial goals, which are advantages that the Shriram policy does not offer. So what is the final verdict on the Shriram Life Immediate Annuity Plus plan? Is it worth investing or not? A lump sum investment that provides regular income is an attractive feature of the Shriram Life Immediate Annuity Plus plan, especially for senior citizens. While the annuity may seem sufficient during the early years of retirement, it gradually loses value due to inflation, which erodes its purchasing power over time. Another key drawback is the lack of access to your funds due to the plan's locking mechanism, which limits financial flexibility. IRR analysis further highlights that a fixed income without inflation adjustments may not be adequate to meet long-term retirement needs. These limitations raises questions about the suitability of the Shriram policy for effectively managing a retirement corpus, and this policy also has a high agent commission. So first of all, retirement planning is a crucial part of financial planning, and a one-size-fits-all annuity or pension plan cannot address everyone's unique requirements. So instead of opting for annuity or pension plan, explore better alternatives that provide steady income, liquidity, and higher returns, which are features that the Shriram policy lacks. For inflation adjusted income, you can incorporate equity into your investment portfolio because it is essential. This approach not only helps your retirement corpus outlast your lifetime, but also ensures your financial stability in the face of rising costs. If you want to read more about this policy, then you can definitely check out the blog post we have posted on our website through the link in the description. And if you want to gain more professional guidance through a professional financial planner, you can choose to book a one-on-one complimentary consultation with one of our professional financial planner through the link in the description. Also, if you want to gain more investment and financial insights through the leading experts in the finance industry, we also conduct regularly free live webinars through which you can register and gain these insights. The link is in the description. Also, if you like this video, definitely hit like and subscribe to our YouTube channel so we can come up with more such financially beneficial content for you. Thank you for watching.